Hello friends, this is Anurag back with another interesting video in which we'll take a look at new features of Gmail. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So we are using Gmail for every day. However, if you notice, the UI of the Gmail is pretty same from last couple of years. But now Google introduced the new UI for Gmail. There is UI changes everywhere. Like from loading page, it got new animation that looks very good, and it also uses the rounded icons that matches with new Google material design. So to enable this UI, just click on the settings gear icon and select try new Gmail. It will enable the new Gmail UI that has couple of new features. Like now, you can view the attachment without opening the emails. Then if you go to the right side of the email, there you will see some additional options like archive email, delete mails, mark as a read or unread. There is one more option available that is new, is snooze the email. Let's say if you got an important email but you don't want to read at this time, but you also don't want to miss out the email too, then you can snooze the email to tomorrow, next week, someday, or you can pick a custom date and time. Then you can find the snooze emails in snooze tab available on the left side. Then there is new integration tab available where you can find some Google apps like Google Calendar, Google Keep, Google Tasks, and you can also install some third-party add-ons. Next feature is Smart Compose. Google unveiled the new Gmail Smart Compose in Google I/O 2018. That feature enables smart reply. That means it will predict what you will type next with the help of AI.
Another example of one of our core products which we are redesigning with AI is Gmail. We call it Smart Compose. So as the name suggests, we use machine learning to start suggesting phrases for you as you type. All you need to do is to hit tab and keep auto completing.
As this feature is based on AI, it will definitely improve in feature a lot. For now, it is available as an experimental feature that you can enable in settings. Just make sure you are using the new Gmail UI. Then go into general settings, and here you can find the option to enable experimental access. And now you can able to enjoy the new Google Smart Compose feature. Moving on, there is also new feature in the Compose app that you can enable the confidential mode. Let's say you want to send an confidential email to someone, then you can enable this feature so that the recipient will not have option to forward email, copy or paste the email, download or print the email. It also enables two more options that you can set the expiry of the email, means after expiry it will auto delete the email. Then you can also enable the passcode, then the recipient can read the email when he or she has a OTP from the number that you provided while sending an email. Then there is one more feature that is Gmail Offline. It enables you to use your web version of Gmail in offline mode like your Outlook desktop app. Means if you enable the offline mode, then it will download the copy of the email from the server to your local computer like your Outlook desktop app, and you can read and view the emails when you are offline. Then you can set the number of days of email data that you want to store offline. However, to view the emails offline, you will need to open the Gmail URL before you are going to offline, and it will synchronize the changes to the server when you reconnect to the internet. As this is offline, it will use your computer space to store the files, so make sure you enable this mode on your own computer. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. This has been Anurag, and I will see you later guys.